Now let us go to the 11th sum, part D. Okay, let's see the sum here. This simple thing only. Okay, C1, C2, C3 and C4 are in arrangement like this way. You have to find the total capacitance, okay, or the effective capacitance. So this diagram is like that, you know. So what I do is we can just draw diagram different way. Okay, just redraw them. Okay. So we can redraw diagram. Redraw as this diagram as, just see P is unknown. This point P is divided into two parts. Okay, so top we have connection here, and then it's divided like this way, two parts here. You see same thing only. Okay, this side we have C1 and this side we have C2. Okay, then it comes down. There's a point R here and there's a point S here. Okay, then what we must do? Okay, there is another capacitor here. So this point R and this point S. Okay, after that we have C3 this side. C3 is this side, and this side we have here C4. Then it comes down. Okay, and joins here at Q. Okay, they ask us in the question, if you see, just take the book here. Find the capacitance across PQ. Okay, and across RS. So you must find the capacitance across PQ and across R and S. Okay, very simple. So just need to now mark down C1, C2, C3 and C4. Notice that C1, C3 are in series. Okay, C2, C4 are in series. Write this down. C1 and C3 are in series. Okay, series means what formula is used? 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C3. Take LCM, that will be C1, C3. In this case, it will cross multiply C3 plus C1. This cross multiply. Okay, so 1 by CS. This is S. Okay, so take reciprocal. So get here CS is equal to C1, C3 divided by C1 plus C3. Okay, very easy. And then similarly, C2 and C4 are in series. Okay, C2 and C4 are in series. Okay, because they're in series, we get here CS dash, right? Okay, to show difference. That's equal to, or 1 by CS, no, that's the formula. 1 by CS dash is equal to 1 by C2 plus 1 by C4. So take LCM, that will be C2, C4, and this side we get cross multiply C4 plus C2. This side we get 1 by CS dash. Take reciprocal, we get here CS dash is equal to C2 C4 divided by C2 plus C4. Okay, both the same only. Okay, we can write C2 plus C4 is equal to C4 plus C2, both the same. Now if you notice that this, instead of these two we get CS, and instead of these two we get here CS dash. Okay, so we redraw the picture, redraw the diagram. Okay, when redraw the diagram, you just see left side, instead of these two capacitors C1, C3, we get one capacitor, that is CS. And on the right side, instead of those two C2, C4, we get one capacitor, that is CS dash. Okay, just notice that these two are in parallel. Okay, so CS and CS dash are in parallel. Okay, because they're in parallel, what to do? Take the formula, very simple, just add them. Okay, so CP we get here, that is equal to CS plus CS dash. Okay, but now see what is CS, this value C1 C3 divided by C1 plus C3 plus this one C2 C4 divided by C2 plus C4. Okay, just now very simple, just need to multiply them, take the LCM. I'll just rub this part, get space. It's very simple only. Okay, rub this out. We take another chalk here. Now let's see the LCM here. So in the LCM we'll see we get C1 plus C3 into this part, we'll get here C2 plus C4. Okay, and then top we'll see what we get. See, this is C1 C3. Okay, cross multiply this here, okay, into C2 plus C4, okay, plus, there's a plus sign there, okay, C2 C4 into, I'll rub the side on top, on the side we will rub it out. C2 C4 into this one, you cross multiply this up here, okay, C1 plus C3, okay. It's very, very simple only. Now what you must do, multiply this inside like this way, one time here and here, okay, this into this and this into this, very simple we get. So let's see what we get here, okay, so we get here C1 and then C2 is also there now, so C1 C2 C3, okay, again plus sign is there, plus C1, okay, now C3 C4, okay, plus take this here, multiply here, we get C1 again, so C1 C2 C4, C2 C4 plus this part, okay, C2, then C3 is there now, so C2 C3 C4 will come, C2 C3 and then C4 divided by this quantity, that is C1 plus C3 into C2 plus C4, okay, this is the answer we need for the first part. This is capacitance where across P and Q, okay. This is the first part, okay. Then we'll go to the second part, that is what will be the capacitance across RS, okay. Now let us see same sum, okay, across RS, what will be the capacitance across RS. See, this is R and this is S, okay. So we can redraw diagram as, okay, so redraw the diagram, okay. So let's see how to do it. So point R is here, okay, and S is here, okay. Now you see C1 C2, okay, they are in series now when you compare this, okay, like this way, C1 C2 are in series. So you draw C1 here and then C2 here, okay. Then see C3 and C4 are down, C3 and then C4 down, okay. So this is C1 C2 C3 C4, okay. So C1 C2 are in, now in what, they are in series, okay. So we'll just draw this down. So C1 and C2 are in series. So if they are in series, what formula you can use? So 1 by CS you must use now. So 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay, take LCM, that is C1 into C2, cross multiply, that is C2 plus C1. This is cross multiply. Okay, and then 1 by CS we get. Take reciprocal, so get here CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Okay, this we got now. Same way you see C3 and C4 are in series. Okay, C3 and C4 are in series. Because they're in series, what we found, we can use 1 by CS dash, okay, to show difference, is equal to 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. Take LCM, it will be C3 C4 and here C4 plus C3. This will get 1 by CS dash. Okay, take reciprocal, write this side. So take reciprocal, what we get here, CS dash is equal to C3 C4 divided by C3 plus C4. Okay, it's not simple. Now what happens is, instead of these two capacitors, we can just draw one equivalent capacitor, and instead of these two, just draw one capacitor. Okay, so we can redraw diagram as, we can redraw the diagram like this way. See here, one capacitor on top like this way, and then another capacitor down. Okay, this is CS and this is CS dash. Okay, so these two capacitors are in, now what, they are in parallel. Okay, so CS and CS dash are in parallel. Okay. So because they are in parallel, let me take chalk here. So what to do? We can add them. Okay, so CP is equal to CS plus CS dash. Okay, just add them. Okay, let me rub this part and then do the calculation there. Just here. This is CS, I'll leave it. Okay, we rub all this. Rub this side. Now see here, CP is equal to CS plus CS dash. Okay, so CP, the capacitance parallel, is equal to CS is this one, C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2 plus the second one CS dash, that is C3 C4 divided by C3 plus C4. Okay, let me rub this all this thing now. Okay, now take the LCM. So what we get here is common LCM, that is C1 plus C2 into C3 plus C4. Okay, then cross multiply. So C1 C2 into C3 plus C4 plus this quantity, that is C3 C4 into C1 plus C2. Okay, it's very simple, like the last one only. Just multiply inside this way. Here multiplying, here this one and this one. Okay, just cross multiply inside the bracket. So what we get here is C1 C2 C3. Just multiply here. Then next one will be plus C1 C2 into C4. So C4 plus this one C1 C3 C4. So C1 C3 C4. Okay, plus this will be C2 C3 C4. Okay, we can also write the other way also, C3 C4 then C2, both are correct only. So C2 C3 C4. Okay, divided by, but if you write this way, it's very easy for to understand everyone. Okay, divided by C1 plus C2 into C3 plus C4. Okay, so this is the value that we need. Okay, so this is the capacitance across RS. Okay, so just watch this carefully. Okay, and write down and see these things. Thank you for watching.